Morning, YouTubers. Actually, no, afternoon, YouTubers. This is my 1929 Sessions mantel clock. The, my brain just shut down there. The, clock has been restored somewhat by a local clocksmith. The, sorry, I'm phasing out, in and out here. The clock is clock came to me about 2014. Cost me $15, and it took me a year to get it to go. I used everything from WD-40, which is highly unrecommended for any clock enthusiast or clock repairman or anything. I highly discourage WD-40 as it gums up everything as soon as the oily components dry up, and it's a bugger to clean. That's why it took me almost a year. We can hear the clock now. So yeah, this clock's from 1929. The original finish is still in miraculous condition. The clock itself is actually in great condition as well. So yeah, the 1929 Sessions. Later, tubes.